Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question. X plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 which is equal to 1. And we have to find the value of x where x belongs to real number. So first of all, in numerator we will combine x plus 2 and x plus 5 and x plus 3 into x plus 4, like x plus 2 into x plus 5 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 5 and x minus 3 into x minus 4. Both are same. So now we will multiply. X into x will be equal to x square, x into 5, 5x plus 2x plus 2 5 times 10. It will be x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 3 4 times 12 divided by, it will be equal to x square minus 5x minus 2x minus into minus plus 10, and it will be equal to x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12, and it will be equal to 1. Now we will add like terms, so it will become x square plus 7x plus 10, and it will become x square plus 7x plus 12, and it will be equal to x square minus 7x plus 10, x square minus 7x plus 12, and it will be equal to 1. Now we will let that a is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10 and b is equal to x square minus 7x plus 10. So it will become x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to a, so it will become a, and you can see here x square plus 7x plus 10, if we add plus 2 here, so it will become x square plus 7x plus 12, so it will become a plus 2 divided by, it is equal to b, and same case here, if we add here 2, so it will become b plus 2, so we can write it as b plus 2, which is equal to 1. So we can write it as 1 divided by 1. Now we will do it cross multiplication. So it will become a into a plus 2, and it will be equal to b into b plus 2. So from here it will become a square plus 2a, which is equal to b square plus 2b. So we can write it as a square minus b square plus 2a minus 2b, and it will be equal to 0. As we know that a square minus b square is same as a plus b, a minus b, and from these two terms we have 2 is common here, so this divided by this will be equal to a, minus this divided by this will be equal to b, which is equal to 0. Now in both terms we have a minus b is common here, and we have here a plus b and this plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now here we have two solutions, that a minus b is equal to 0 and a plus b plus 2 is equal to 0. So it will become a minus b is equal to 0, and the other one is a plus b plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here we have a is equal to b, but a is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10 and b is equal to x square minus 7x plus 10. So we will substitute the values of a and b. So it will become x square plus 7x plus 10, which is equal to b is x square minus 7x plus 10. So x square and x square will be cancelled out, and 10 will be cancelled out. So it will become 7x, and it will become positive 7x when it will change its position from equal side, and it will be equal to 0. So from here 14x will be equal to 0. So we will divide both sides with 14. 14 and 14 will be cancelled out, and the value of x is equal to 0, because 0 divided by 14 is 0. Now a plus b plus 2 is equal to 0. We will again substitute the values of a and b here. A is x square plus 7x plus 10, and b is x square minus 7x plus 10, and this plus 2 is equal to 0. So positive 7x and negative 7x will be cancelled out, and it will become x square, and x square is 2x square plus the coefficient of x is 0x, and constant is 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 2 is 22, which is equal to 0. Now it is the form of quadratic equation. So first of all we will find its discriminant and find that its solution is real or not. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So discriminant is equal to b is 0 square minus 4 into a into c. So d is equal to 0 square is same as 0, and it will be equal to minus 176. So it is a negative value which is less than 0. It means it has no real solution. So the only solution is x is equal to 0. To check for x is equal to 0, so 0 plus 2 will be equal to 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 0 minus 5 is minus 5, and we have to check that it will be equal to 1 or not. So 2 3 times 6 and 4 5 times 20. Negative into negative will become positive, and 2 3 times 6 and 4 5 times 20, and we have to check that it will be equal to 1 or not. So from here 6 and 6 will be cancelled out, 20 and 20 will be cancelled out, so it will be equal to 1 is equal to 1. So both sides are equal. It means the value of x satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.